Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited because we will be decorating my living room and my dining room today for spring and Easter. And if you recall, we've been working on spring cleaning these areas, so they are a fresh clean slate for all the new decor. So let's get started. Here is an overview of the things that I will be working with. I have a few signs, I have my bunnies back there, a few picks, some eggs, carrots, greenery, you name it, it's here. Now I will not be using all of this in my living room and dining room. It will go throughout the house, but I just kind of wanted everything out here so I can pick and choose what I wanted to do. I have all of my flowers there, and also some grass and some eggs, and then a couple of new things that I just purchased. So I think the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna polish up my table, and we're gonna get ready, and I'm gonna start with that first. If you are new, I would like to welcome you. My name is Krissy, and I am so happy that you found my channel. I love to share all things homemaking, like cleaning motivation, recipes, home decor, DIY projects, and once a week my daughter Shelby and I take you along on our weekly shopping trips. If those things are things that you are interested in, definitely hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you stick around and become part of our family. Not really happy with the way this is turning out. I'm gonna just leave it for now. Maybe it's because it's a lot of color and I have not had that in my house for a little while, but I'm gonna turn my attention to my little counter thing over there. Buffet, that's what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna clean it, and then I'm gonna put a few decorations over there. Maybe by the time I get some things over there, then that will make more sense. But right now, I am definitely not in love with it. To use one of my thrifted candlesticks that I kind of did a different finish on. As you can see, it was gold. I paid $1.60 I think for them. It was a pair, and I did a blog post on it if you'd like to see how I did that. And I think I'm going to pair it with this basket from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to set that up on top, kind of like that. And then I have this dollar spot. No, maybe this is Hobby Lobby. This was Hobby Lobby at Halloween. I'm actually just going to put that down in there and then put one of my LED flickering candles in there like that. And then I also have a couple of these little peach flowers. Maybe I should put them in first. Hold on. Just let that kind of stick out like that. Cute, right? Oh, I'm loving this, guys. And then that just kind of lifted the candle up. And then I will play with these flowers and try to get them to cover the black. But look how cute that is. I'm loving that. This is what I have so far. I'm going to take away one of those pictures down on the shelf. I think that's just too many pictures going on. So let me do that real quick. Alright guys, I'm going to trade out these little flowers for these. I used these in this vase last year, so I think it needs to be a little more substantial for all of this to balance, so we're going to do that right now. That is so much better. It just added some weight going up because I have the weight down here. So I am starting to like it. It's starting to fill in. I have eggs and grass. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna add though. Probably some stuff down there. I ended up doing away with those moss eggs or moss stones. They were way too messy. I could not keep this area clean at all, so I am going to find another contained place for those. This is better. I'm really kind of liking the centerpiece now on the table. I'm thinking maybe the yellow flowers are throwing me off because I don't really have a ton of yellow anywhere else. But here is what we have. I ended up changing out that blue Easter egg down by the little bicycle sign to a peach one. So then I kind of have a triangle of peach going on. And I think that looks a little bit better. All right, I'm going to call the dining room done and I'm gonna move on to the living room now. guys, that's going to be it for today's video, and thanks for hanging out with me. You got to see how my brain works when I'm trying to figure out my decor. Scary, right? I hardly ever get it right the first time. You just have to play a little. I will be doing a spring Easter home tour real soon, so you can see if I moved anything. You'll want to definitely hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when that goes live. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I hope I gave you a few decorating ideas for your own home if you're decorating for spring or Easter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.